This is Connor Comer. I'm here with the SolSurfer team. We just turned in our hackathon submission last night, and we're going to do a demo video today. We wanted to say that we do have a collection in the works, but we're not going to be releasing the specifics of the collection yet. This collection will be featured on the SolSurfer XYZ secondary marketplace. Our main focus today will be the demo of our Generative NFT Tool. And the main theme is a non-technical approach for artists, so a way for artists who are not very technical to be able to get their NFTs or their art online in a simple and efficient manner. Now we're going to pass it on to Nico for the demo.
All right, so we built a platform basically to help create your art. So we have a front end and a back end, but today we're going to be demoing the front end and kind of the process for how you would create a generative art project with what we've built. So let's open up this link where I have the app running. So off the bat, here's a landing page. We can have helpful information on here, but to get started, you have to select your wallet, and I'll use Phantom. And so I get authenticated, and we know who you are this way. We've implemented a passwordless sign-on, so we can identify you and save your information without ever needing your password because you're already authenticated with your wallet provider. So there's 4 parts here. There's the assets where you can manage files and make folders to help you out. There's build, preview, and publish. So let's just go one by one here. Asset manager, let's create a new folder and let's call it art resources. Add it. Here it is. So you can click into it. There's nothing here yet. You can also view other things. So let's go ahead and add a new file, and let's just call it red hair. So now we have this red hair. You can upload a file or a folder and have it come here. It's basically a way to organize your assets separate from how you build it. So let's go into the build. So this is the core idea of what we've made. There's attributes and traits, and this is how you create generative art. So we'll add an attribute. We'll just call it like background. It's a good starting attribute to have. So here's a background. And there's no traits yet. So let's add a trait. The name could be rainbow, I guess. We'll give it a rarity. We can always change these things. And let's browse our files. Here's the attributes. And let's give it a background like this. This is pitch black, not rainbow, but let's still add it anyways. And now here it is. You have a preview. With all the information. So you can delete it, edit it, etc. and add more traits. Let's add a trait for the head. Okay. We'll add another file, and since we're demoing, we'll just keep it like this. And we'll stick with 2 attributes for the demo. So let's do the red head. Okay, keep it like that. And here we go. So now we have our 2 attributes, each with 1 trait. And I'm actually going to add 1 more trait so we can kind of show what it's like having multiple traits. So let's give this one yellow head, a rarity of 5, and an order of 3. That. Okay, so now we have 2 traits here. So now in the preview page, you basically want to generate a certain number of NFTs. So let's generate 3. Generate, and then the NFTs will display here. So right now, that was where we left off in the hackathon, porting over our generative code to make that happen. But in the meantime, what we have is, I'll just show this. So we can run index.js and put in maybe 10 copies. Why that's not. But anyways, yeah, then in publish, this is where we're implementing one-click publishing, where you can take your NFTs and publish them to a Metaplex storefront and be able to offer them to your to users wanting to buy your product. And you can randomly generate and mint your pictures that you're generating here. We've already been using this offline to generate tools with the artists we're working with. So these get combined randomly based on your rarities, and you can just combine multiple attributes and then layers for each attribute, and before you know it, you get a really cool looking, unique generated creature. Thank you for watching.